Welcome. If you want to set the charging limit in your ASUS ROG Phone 3, at the first you have to go for the settings, then move to the battery, go for the power masters and tap on the battery care. When we are here we can set charging limit, and when we set a lower charging limit we will extend the battery lifespan, so I think it's very worth to get it. And let's set it on the 90%, but in my personal smartphone, in my own smartphone, I'm using ASUS ZenFone 7 Pro and I'm with this 80%. So you have to decide what you want to get, but for example, let's stay on the 90 right here. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.